Hello again. We're going to do a little activity that looks at the different sounds with an activity involving minimal pairs. So these are words that sound almost the same except for one sound. So if you can tell the difference between the two sounds, it makes it easier to understand the word. The same with speaking. So we're going to have a look at each word and we need to hear the sound that is different. If you can remember, you can write down the IPA symbol for the sounds that are different. Listen carefully as I say it, and you can practice saying it as well and see if you can hear the difference. The first one says pin, p-i-n, pin. This one, pun, p-a-n. So the only different sound is the sound in the middle, I or a, I or a. I'll just underline those for you. I or a. And the IPA symbols are I or a. The next one, listen carefully and say for yourself. Now, new, now, new, ow, you, ow, you, now, new. The next one is car, car, k-r, car. You say. And care, k-air, care. You say it. Good. So we have R and air. K-R, k-air. Seep. S-E-P. Sip. S-I-P. S-E-P. Seep. You say it. Good. And sip. S-I-P. Good. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. And cot. K-O-T. Cot. Look. L-O-K. You say it. Look. L-O-K. Leak. L-E-K. Leak. You'll notice the difference in your mouth when you say them. L-O-K. L-E-K. Look. Leak. Coast. Cost. This is a tricky one. K-O-S-T. K-O-S-T. Coast. You say it. And break it up. And cost. You say it. And break it up. Good. Boil. B-oi-l. Boil. You say it. Good. And bail. B-a-l. Bail. You try. Boil and bail. Let's go from the beginning more quickly. Pin, pun. Now, new. Car, care. Seep, sip. Cat, cot. Look, leak. Coast, cost. Boil, bail. You can try those on your own at home, or you can say them to a friend and get them to say them back. Pay attention to what your mouth is doing so you can hear the difference between the minimal pairs. Well done. Now we're going to have a look at the consonants. Just my slideshow is not working for a second. Sorry about that. We're going to have a look at the consonants now. So we've looked at our vowels, and you've got long vowels and short vowels, and now we're going to look at consonants. Now, consonants are also grouped according to whether you use your voice or not. So voiced and unvoiced. Unvoiced, you use your lips and your tongue. Voiced, you use your lips and your tongue, but you also will feel, you can feel it in your throat. So you can tell if it's voiced or unvoiced if you feel it in your throat. If you all put your hand there and say a word or a sound, if you can feel the vibration in your throat, voiced. You're using your voice box. If not, if it's just teeth and tongue, unvoiced. We're going to have some practice at deciding. I've put up our chart again so that we can have a look. So now we're looking down here at the red box. Consonants. Consonants. And we've got voiced consonants in bright green and unvoiced consonants in that green. So the first sound is P, 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 P. So when we say P, the sound is coming through from our lips, and we'll feel a puff of air. If you put your hand, P, P, and if you put your hand on your throat when you say P, you'll notice there's no feeling there, nothing happening. You have a go. P, P. So that's unvoiced. And the IPA symbol is like a P in the English alphabet. The next one is B. B. Let's do the same thing again. You're still using your lips. It's exactly the same as P, except that you also use your voice. Feel your throat. B. B. You can feel it in your throat. B. Voiced. The next one is T. 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 Put your hand on your throat. T. T. Your tongue is behind your teeth. T. Nothing happening in my throat. Unvoiced. Have a go at D. D. Same as T, but it's voiced. My throat, I'm using my throat. T. T. And D. The next one is Ch. 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 Your tongue is behind your teeth and your lips move. Ch. Ch. that is unvoiced, nothing here. Ch. The next one is j, j, j. Same as ch, but I have to use my voice. J. The next one is k, 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 k. I'm making that sound at the back of my tongue, but there's nothing from my voice. You try. K, k, nothing there. The next one is g, g. Same as k, but I use my voice. G, k. See if you do them together and see if you can feel the difference. K, g, k, g. Can you feel the difference? The next one is f, f. Teeth over your bottom lip. F. Unvoiced, nothing happening here. F. The next one is the same with my mouth, but it's voiced. V, v. So that sound comes from my throat, not only from there. Now the next two have a reputation for being quite tricky. They are difficult to hear the difference. The only difference is one is voiced, one is not. This first one, unvoiced, is so tongue sticks out from your teeth and then you blow air. There's no voice. The next one is the same action with your mouth and your tongue, but you use your voice. So you blow air and use your voice. So we've got no voice and voice. The next one, nothing happening, it's all just air through my teeth. The next one is z, z. Yes, using my voice. The next one is sh, sh. No voice, unvoiced. The next one is zh, zh, zh. Use my voice. Same mouth as sh, but I use my voice. Zh. These ones down the bottom don't have a color around them, so you can decide for yourself. Are they voiced or unvoiced? Mmm. 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 Ooh. R. W. And y.